Harley Saddlebag security. Need I say anything more? Fix it already. This video in 4K. That's right, if you've been around Harleys for any length of time, you've not only heard stories, but you've heard of the recalls and their flimsy pins that Harley uses to secure their saddlebags. Many have lost their bags going down the road. We've got an awesome solution for you. Let's get started right now. Rick Rack. Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Urlacher here, lawabidingbiker.com. Thank you for checking back in. So you want to save money, wrench on your own bike, be entertained, and be part of the #1 biker community? Every time that subscribe button and bell icon is hit, another biker joins the revolution. You really should consider a better system for attaching your saddlebags to your Harley-Davidson motorcycle. If you lose one of those, especially if you're in a group environment or other traffic, can be very dangerous. And that's right, here at Law Abiding Biker Media, we have tested several of these saddlebag mounting solutions, and we found what we believe is the best. That's why we brought it right to our store. Link to it in the description below. If you appreciate these videos, support us and shop there. What we're going to show you today is how to install the Rick Rack saddlebag safety bolts. And let me tell you, when you get these in your hands, you'll realize why we picked them for our store. The metal is super thick, the thumb screws that they use, and all the hardware, and they go on super easy. And the nice thing is that this is just a thumb screw. A lot of the systems out there require a proprietary wrench that you have to carry around with you to get the saddlebags off. With this high quality thumb screw system, you can easily mount or unmount your saddlebags in no time. And I guarantee with these, your saddlebags will never come off. Let's show you how to install these. All right, in order to get this Rick Rack safety bolt system in here, we got the quarter turn pin stock. Front and back, you're just gonna turn those, get his saddlebag off both sides. All right, and you're just gonna remove the stock clips right now. These are the pin clips there, stock. And there's just a little lip you can get the screwdriver underneath the back side there and pry down to get those off. All right, and this is the new U-nut threaded that comes in your kit, and he's gonna put that on, slide it over where the stock ones were. The threaded portion goes to the rear. And he's just doing the same thing on the back, putting that U-nut over. Some good even pressure, work it up on there. All right, and so he's got the new Rick Rack saddlebag safety bolts in his hands with the hardware. And so we're gonna show you how this goes on. It comes with everything. First, he's gonna put on his lock washer. Next, he'll put on his flat washer. And last, his retaining washer. And that's how that stuff goes on there prior to putting it through the saddlebag. All right, and he's just setting his saddlebag in place there. And then he's got all his washers on there like we showed you. And simply threads right in. These are super easy. Make it very quick to get your bags on and off. Don't need any special proprietary wrenches or anything, just a thumb screw. Very solid hardware on these things. Much more secure than your stock clips. There you go, that's how easy it is to install the Rick Rack saddlebag safety bolt system. Hang on, what's that called? U-nut. A U-nut, is that different than D's nuts? Oh! And don't forget, links in the description below about any products we talked about in this video. Make sure you get subscribed to this channel before you leave. Hit that subscribe button already. Everybody's doing it. Don't miss out.